Unboxing Google Pixel 8 Pro.
It's from Harvey Norman.
Mm,
Pre-ordered and received it today. So I'm gonna unbox. Maybe
okay.
try to tear it with. Like I think I can take it up, huh? Like this, yeah. Okay, so here we go.
Oh.
They put some protector or something. I don't know. I'm not sure.
I think no protectors.
This is no protector, I guess. Yeah, no protector.
Yeah, no protector.
Yeah, I gotta put some protector, of course. So, what came in box? Like
Oh, what's that?
for the
Oh,
USB, like
USB.
a converter, yeah.
Uh-huh.
And the wire,
USB cable.
cable, yeah. Cable, that's good. I already have one cable, but this is coming handy. Extra cable, yeah. Okay, and I think this is just the manual.
Manual, yeah.
I don't care about that. Okay, let's. What's this? So I'll just turn it on now.
Yeah.
Oh, it wasn't working. Yep,
Whoa.
it's bright, I guess.
Yeah, it's a pretty good one.
Display is bright, huh?
Yeah.
Very bright. Yep. Yes, okay, get started. I'll skip this for now. I'll connect to the Wi-Fi. You can pause it now.
Okay.
We're ready.
Okay. Put it up.
This. What about? Oh, various positions, huh? It's optical, you know. Samsung has ultrasonic, but it's optical. Samsung is better.
Oh, that's a bright flashlight down there
Yeah.
popping up.
It's screen. It's not a flashlight, you know. Looks like a flashlight, huh?
Yeah.
It's fucking screen.
Yeah, it's a screen. So bright like a flashlight.
Face unlock. I don't want that. Apps and data. I don't want that. No.
Almost done.
Almost. Basic. Device backup. No. Nah, I don't want anything here. Limited warranty. Country Australia. It shows me the warranty, huh? Just the agreement.
Yeah. Done.
Continue setup. Google Assistant. Leave and get reminder. Okay, I'll do it later. Review additional apps. Okay. Let's see. It's finalizing, I guess.
Okay.
Gestures. I'll learn it later.
Oh,
Okay, we're
Here's
in.
the one.
We're in. I'll see this later. Whoa, man. We set the brightness to 25% or something, huh? Because it will burn through that. Okay. You'll go to YouTube and set up the. Look at the. Maybe something 4K. 4K. Let's see something 4K.
Wow.
Maybe put some put some HDR video. Let's see. Oh man.
Nice. Hmm.
How's the display? Good. Why does it want to see my pin? I don't know. Oh, it's installing camera apps. Okay. Done. What do you think?
It's good.
Less noise, huh?
Yeah.
And the selfie. Let's see the selfie.
Hmm.
What do you think?
It's good. It's good. It's really good. Oh, this nice shift and all.
It's night sight.
Oh, night side.
Let's check the portrait.
think-
Night portrait.
Yeah. I think there is like astrophotography also in
Yeah.
there.
Let's capture a portrait, huh?
Cool.
And this captures very fast, I guess, huh?
Mm.
It's processing. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Age detection not bad, huh?
It's really good.
Not bad at all,
Wow.
I guess. Yeah. It's good.
Oh. Nice.
So how do you check the recents? I don't know. I have to learn the gestures.
Yeah. Slowly.
Google Play Store is... Oh, it's downloading things.
Hmm.
Install 5 out of 10. Yeah, it's downloading.